Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both ends ready, the PC and the headphones. Turn Bluetooth on in settings and put the headphones into pairing mode so the PC can see them. Once done, make sure other nearby paired devices are off to prevent automatic reconnects. This avoids pairing conflicts. Why? Because Bluetooth scans only a few seconds reliably, so reducing noise makes discovery faster. Now, open the Add Bluetooth or Other Device dialog, so the next step can find and connect to your headset. You should now see the headset listed. Click it to pair and confirm any PIN prompts. After Windows shows connected, go to Sound Settings and set the headphone device as default playback and default communication device so apps route audio correctly. If your headset supports profiles, choose A2DP for high-quality audio versus HFP for microphone use. Switching fixes muffled sound. Also, verify the input device in your meeting app. These steps ensure both playback and microphone are routed where you expect. Finish by testing playback and the microphone. Play a video and record a short clip to confirm both directions work. If you hit problems, first remove the device and pair again. That clears stale profiles. If pairing repeatedly fails, update the PC Bluetooth driver and restart the Bluetooth service. This resolves most adapter-level issues. As a quick workaround, toggle airplane mode on then off to reset radios. Remember, patience helps. Small driver or profile mismatches are the usual culprit and are usually fixable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.